Question 29. Once I file a bankruptcy petition, how long do I wait to go to court? Within 30 days of filing, you'll have to go to court for your 341 meeting of creditors, which means that the trustee, as a representative of the creditors, will question you about your bankruptcy petition. Usually, you have at least 2 weeks written notice before the hearing date. If your hearing is at 10 a.m., that means that you'll be heard between 10 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. They go in half-hour sections. Now, you must be on time, because if you are late, that could put you at the end of the line, and being heard instead of at 10 o'clock, you'll be heard at 4 p.m. I have seen this happen. I tell clients that, like the military, you have to be on time, but they don't. If your hearing is at 10 a.m., you should be on the road to Hartford no later than 8 a.m. Why? Even though we will give you a map with very specific instructions and directions, if you don't know Hartford, you have to plan that even if you're on time, you could easily get lost. I can't urge you enough to arrive early for the hearing. You could save yourself 4 hours of waiting around in the bankruptcy court. And what I've told people many a time, that the bankruptcy court is not like state court where you might have experienced infinite delays. The 341 hearings tend to run on time. And yes, there are times when they are delayed. But the trustees really try to have your case heard on time. And if you're not there, he or she, when they call you, you could waste the whole day. Simply stated, leave extra early for your hearing. And finally, there are 2 documents to bring with you to the hearing. Otherwise, the whole trip is wasted because they won't hear your case. You must bring your driver's license and Social Security card. This is simple yet so important. The trustee will ask to see these cards prior to the hearing. And if you don't have the cards, you have to go home and come back another day. And you incur additional legal fees. You can go to the Social Security office and obtain a letter regarding your Social Security number, and this will suffice for your actual Social Security card. You can use a W-2 form or a military ID because the military ID has your Social Security number on it. Passports don't have your Social Security number.